So basically having an iPhone or having a new phone lately is very okay, but sometimes it gets so boring because you can get a phone and everybody will be using the same kind of phone you have, right? So let's say maybe you have an iPhone. This is what I have, the iPhone 17 Pro, and is the deep blue color that I have. And I can go out there and I'll see about 10 people having the same phone with the same color. How can you be a differential person, or how can you be different from the people who are having these phones? You can see other people having the cosmic orange, which is pretty much very popular, and then also people having the silver one. You can have the same iPhone, Samsung, or Google Pixel, but you will be able to customize it and make it better for you, and then make it different from other people's phones. So let's see this one right here. This is my Google Pixel I bought way long ago, and you can see I have this one rat right here. And one good thing is I can just peel it off and it looks very new, like the way I bought it from the day I had it. That is actually very cool. I have had this for the past 4 or 5 years and it still looks very, very new. So I can just peel it off and resell it. That is the same as the iPhone right here. So in this video, I'm gonna be wrapping the new iPhone 17 Pro, and then if there's 18 actually get released, we are still going to be wrapping it. So we got this from Q Skins. It used to be what's the name? I forgot. But we got it from Q Skins, and this is how my phone is going to look like after I'm done wrapping, which is pretty much very cool. This looks fire, bro. And it can go out there and then people are not going to recognize the kind of phone you have unless you tell them that this is an iPhone 17 Pro. I can either choose to use this or this one right here. So any of them you feel like you want, you can just attach it to your device. So when I use the one right here, it's actually going to fill up every section right here with the sides and all. That is pretty much very great, right? And then when I use this one at the top, it's going to be just at the back right here, and then the side is going to be open. So either ways, I'm gonna know which one I should go with at the moment. And then yeah, that's it. And then also this is like a wipe that you're going to be able to use it to wipe the device before you wrap it. So you have to wipe it clean, right? So before we do that, let me just put this phone off before it just gets some little bit of touches, and that's it, right? Right, you just wipe it all over. And Q Skins, you can just download it on Play Store, App Store. I'm going to leave the links in my description so that you guys are going to be able to get some discounts from it. And then also, I'll also get some discounts in my next purchase because I have to purchase one for my 18 Pro or Pro Max that is coming very, very soon, or the new Google Pixel that is coming very, very soon. So, which I'm going to be reviewing on this channel for you guys. So if this is the first time you are actually coming here, just don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be bombarding you guys with newer phones, camera comparisons and all that. And that's pretty much very cool. So let's just get our phone wrapped. So I think I'm going to go with this one right here, which is pretty much very simple to fix. The other one is a bit difficult, so mostly that's what I use. So I'm going to go with that one simply with that, and that's it, right? Go with this, we go with it this way. Let's just put it at the edge this way. This is how our phone looks like, right? And that's pretty much very cool. So if you like this, just give it a thumbs up, and then also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And like I told you, whenever the new devices comes out, I'm going to be reviewing it, and then also I'll be creating something for you to be able to wrap your devices very well for it to be looking something better than before, right? Give me a thumbs up, and also I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.